Why should you guys call us? It's because nobody does what we do the way that we do it. There are other companies out there that install pipe relining and pipe rehabilitation and CIPP, which is what we prefer to call it, cured in place piping. But this is all we do. We only install CIPP in sewer laterals all day long, every single day, all the time. We're not a plumbing company. We're not a drain cleaning company, although we can clean your drain. We don't do your bathrooms. We're not going to rebuild your basement foundation. We're going to come in and rehabilitate the pipes. So in actuality, because this is all we do, we're the best at what we do. And you can see that we're great at what we do because we don't have all these 5-star ratings on our Google reviews because people go, wow, I love the granite countertops you installed in my house. They can't even see the sewer line after we install it. They get a video, you get a video, and it's good. What you know is that the customer service experience, the efficiency, and the quality of the product, and our confidence in our job site is exactly what you're looking for, which is why we want you to hire us first. We might not be the cheapest, we might not be the most expensive, but we will be the best.